What's up you guys, this is your friend Glam Girl Megha. Today I'm here with you sharing another haul. This is from the Instagram page called Link. I'm going to share all the details of this website with you, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the product comes in this kind of packaging. As you can see, the name is mentioned. The website is only for women, I mean girls and women, and this is the name of the website. You can definitely check it on Instagram. It's named as Link or Linkin. Link, I would say Link. So I bought few pieces, and the product comes in this kind of packaging. So I've got two tops, two dresses, and one blazer and a trouser set. So I'm going to show you the first one, which is in this kind of packaging, and the details, the price of the product will be mentioned on the screen. Okay. So this is the kind of top it is. Just show it to you. So this is the first top. It's in a mesh kind of a detailing. This is the first time I'm trying colors. Otherwise I only love black and white, is my favorite. So I don't know how it's going to look on me. And it has got beautiful work. The material is not cotton, of course. It's a mixed material, georgette kind of a material. And behind also there is a detailing. It's closed with a button. And this retails for 2557. Of course I have not paid that much. It's in XL size, and I will leave the original price and the price that I paid for it. So this is how it looks, guys. I don't know how it's looking. It's kind of a shirt and the mesh detailing. I just love it, and I love the bright yellow color. And the material is breathable, and the quality is also very nice. It has got buttons. Do let me know what do you think about this. Let's see the next one. This time I have ordered few colors because I really wanted to try colors. This is the kind of top it is, and half sleeves, and it's a V. You'll have to definitely wear something inside because it's very deep, and it has a belt as well. It will cinch into your waist, so that will make you look slimmer. And this retails for 1840. However, I'm not paid that much for it. I'll leave the original price and the price that I paid for it. So let's wear this and show it to you. So guys, this is how it looks. It has got deep V-neck. However, I guess I will be okay without wearing any slip or spaghetti inside. So this is the kind of, it has a belt, so it's going to cinch your waist, definitely going to make you look slimmer. I really love the color of this. Do let me know what you guys think about it. Let's see the next one. Next one is this dress. I got this as a gift from my husband on my birthday. He had not showed me when he had ordered. I really love this print. It's just like if you have seen Gucci scarf and all, this is the kind of print it has. And it also has a belt. I'll just wear it and I'll show it to you. So this is the dress. It has got a belt and a deep V-neck. I'll definitely have to wear something inside, and it's a little bit loose as well, so I'll have to alter it. This was retailed for, I guess, 1800 rupees. However, he has not paid that much. I'll leave the discounted price. This is one of the best pieces from the lot. I really love the color and the print. Do let me know guys what you think about it. Let's see the next dress. Cut kiya na? So this is the next dress guys. It's in pink color, plain pink, and it has got a lace detailing with a balloon kind of a hands, and again it has a belt. I'll just wear it and I'll show it to you. And the price for this is, again, it was for 2170. I'm going to leave the discounted price on this. So let's wear it and show. So this is the next dress. I really love this neck detailing, and the color is also very pretty, and it has got a little V. Do let me know what you guys think about it. And I'm going to share you the last one. Let's see. So this is the last piece that I've ordered. Blazer and a trouser. Blazer and a trouser. This retails for 2500. Of course I'm not paid that much. It was on 50% off. So it's very loose on me. They don't have any exchange policy or any replacement policy. Either they will refund you, and there is no wallet refund. You will have to share your bank details. So this is the last piece which I ordered. Do let me know. It has also got pockets. The material is very breathable. Even if you wear it for the entire day, you're not going to feel hot in this. It's very soft. I really love this. So that's it guys. This was my haul for Link. So once you place the order, the warehouse is in Mumbai. So if I place the order today, I will get the products in next 2 days. If you are located somewhere else, it might take 7 to 10 business days, working days, to reach you. So there is no replacement or no exchange policy. And if you're looking for a refund, there is no wallet refund. They will ask you for your bank detail. However, I love the website. As of now, I've not faced any issues with them. The quality of the products is number one. So I'm going to definitely recommend this to you. I'm going to leave everything in the description box as well. You can check their page. So that's it for this video. Do let me know which one was your favorite, the top, the dresses, or this blazer set. And do give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.